Hey guys, do you want to lose weight and burn all those unwanted fats faster and will be gone forever? Are you looking for ways to reduce your weight, yet you don't want to be at the gym and do some workout? Well, it is okay because there are tons of ways to drop pounds and get the body you've been dreaming about without hitting the gym, and we can definitely help you with that. Hi everyone! Welcome to Amazing Ideas, where we will be sharing some tips and ideas on natural ways to become healthy. Wellness, home remedies, natural care, natural cure, and some ways and means to stay safe and healthy. Always remember, life is beautiful. One is intermittent fasting, which is very popular nowadays and a true miracle worker. But what do you think is the secret behind this routine that makes it so effective? Do you think that enduring long hours of fasting is possible for the human body? Just keep on watching so we will share to you what are the benefits and what is intermittent fasting. Fasting has been practiced a long time ago, even with religions like Muslims, Christians, Judaism, and many more. Fasting became popular during the 1900s with Upton Sinclair, who is an American writer. Sinclair was just practicing cleansing Jews and fasting simultaneously. Then it became popular because of the health and fitness community in August 2012 with the help of Michael Mosley, who is a doctor and journalist. There are lots of misconceptions when it comes to intermittent fasting that we need to clarify. By the way, please thumbs up if you like, share, subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet, and click the notification bell below so that you will be updated every time we have a new video. First and foremost, people thought that intermittent fasting is a type of diet, which is absolutely false. Intermittent fasting is not a diet plan. Rather, it is an eating plan. Second misconception is that if you are starving yourself, which is also not true, you are just in a restricted time mode to eat and drink. You can drink only water, black coffee, or tea, no creamer or sugar added. The last misconception about intermittent fasting is it holds back the health from attempting this weight loss program, which people argue so much because they think that the safety and health of trying intermittent fasting is bad. Here are the eating patterns that you can try and follow. Number 1, the 16-8 pattern, more commonly known as lean gains, which was invented by Martin Birkin, who is a fitness expert. This fasting schedule is perfect for beginners. The eating pattern involves 14 to 16 hours of fasting, and the rest of the time, which is 6 to 8 hours, are for the feasting period. Number 2, the 5-2 pattern. This pattern is best known as the fast diet. Michael Mosley is the one who created this pattern. He's a well known British doctor and journalist. The 5-2 pattern is lighter than the 16-8 pattern protocol because you can consume 500 to 600 calories of foods that are rich in calories within 2 days of fasting, and then after that, you can eat for 5 days as usual. Number 3, the warrior diet. This intermittent fasting requires you to fast, but you can still consume small portions of vegetables and fruits. You can eat a small amount of cooked vegetables or cheese, eat a salad with oil, small amounts of milk, and so on. The eating period is from 5 p.m. to 9 p.m., and after that time, you may consume one huge meal. Number 4, alternate day fasting. Well, from the word itself, you will fast alternately or every other day. You can fast on day 1 And the next day, you can eat whatever you want. You can drink as long as it is calorie free or nothing at all. Number 5. Eat, stop, eat. This pattern involves not eating anything for once or twice a week for 24 hours. For example, you will start your fasting mode on Tuesday at 1 p.m. and it will end on Wednesday 1 p.m. The main concern about intermittent fasting is the huge number of times needed for the fasting period, where it is necessary to eat breakfast, lunch, dinner, and snacks every day. What would happen to you if you do not eat breakfast or lunch? It is possible that you may encounter hunger, dizziness, weakness, or vomiting. You will experience unexpected mood swings, irritations, and frustrations. This will actually happen to you for the first week or months of intermittent fasting. And these are just normal body reactions because your body is still adjusting with the routine. What is the achievement that we can get from intermittent fasting? Well, as time goes by, your body will get better off with the side effects. In the period of fasting, your body will have energy to burn fat. The fats that are stored in your body will eventually be converted into energy. So, the more time you fast, the more fat is burned. Intermittent fasting has other health benefits aside from getting rid of unwanted excess weight. The intermittent fasting is good for the heart, improves brain function, it promotes insulin resistance and longevity. Also, it can prevent cancer and type 2 diabetes. This eating routine will simplify your lifestyle as it does not need a plan to eat food for 3 to 6 meals per day. You can save time preparing food, fewer dishes to wash up, and most importantly, you can save money. Despite the amazing results and health benefits of intermittent fasting, this weight loss solution is not good for everyone. If you want to try this routine, it is highly recommended to consult a doctor first. People who are dealing with low blood pressure, diabetes, breastfeeding, pregnant, underweight, or people who are attempting to conceive eating disorder should consult a doctor before trying to do fasting. Therefore, these fasting routines are helpful for people who are trying to lose weight, but always remember that you need to consult first before having these methods because there are instances that it might work for others but may not be suitable or right for you. But do not lose hope because there are still lots of diet plans or workout programs that are suitable for you. The most important thing you should always remember is it should work for you in the long run. So, what do you think about the video that we've shared? Are you going to apply this effective way on losing weight, which is intermittent fasting, now that you know the amazing benefits? Please write your comments below to share your tips and amazing ideas. And if the video is important to your health, we would love to hear from you. Thank you so much for taking a moment out of your busy day and taking interest on our content. We know that it is a struggle to lose weight, but with tweaks and alterations in our lifestyle, it will have a big impact on our weight loss journey. Please check our other videos that might interest you.